Okay, going up in the ceiling to reconnect the duct. Got the tape, and I'm going to put a mask on because all the fibres of the insulation. So it's not good for my lungs. Alright, here we are. So there's the heater. I have to climb all the way down there. Oh yeah, I forgot the torch. Alright, got a torch on my head. I've got it here. You have to be careful. And set. Oh, that hurt my head. Get there. Yeah. You know, climb under here. So, the step over here is not connected. Yeah. Okay. That's the old tape. So I have the tape here. See, I'm riding. It's climbing right under there. And then it's disconnected right here. And it connects into this one. So I'm going to tape this. This is the old tape. I'll get the new tape and wrap it around here.